A belly button?
Alexasunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexasunshine 83 right here. Hello, super sunny day. What is up? Happy Friday. So today's video is special because obviously we have John here, which if you guys didn't know, we've actually been together for 5 years.
Patiently 5 years for some good news.
Which I figured this video would be perfect to announce that we're engaged! Very exciting. So we actually filmed a video on my vlog channel kind of talking about us getting engaged and a little bit more information about John. So if you guys would like to watch that video, I will have it linked. Today's video is actually sponsored by Squarespace.
From websites to online stores to marketing tools and analytics.
Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business, which we will be talking about a little bit later in the video. To kind of introduce this new era of us, we would film a thrifting each other's outfits video. Now, if you guys have been following me since last year, we actually filmed him thrifting my outfits. A lot of people had said that they wanted me to thrift his outfits, so I figured we would take it and thrift each other's outfits. And I don't think I've ever thrifted any clothes for you.
Nope, yeah.
We are gonna be thrifting each other 2 different outfits. So a date night outfit and then also a like casuals outfit.
For date night, not that we don't have date nights, but our date nights very much consist of just staying at home and like wearing pajamas. Like that's our date night. So I think date night will be interesting, finding something spiffy.
So we are gonna head on into Savers and see what things we can find for each other.
Yep.
Honestly, if I find a Harley Davidson shirt for him, I'm gonna be so excited.
Alright, so I'm gonna be starting first because although I've seen Alexa do this 1,000 times and I'm following her around with the camera sometimes, I'm gonna be lost. So I typically always wear activewear and I don't really even wear what I'm wearing on now. So my first instinct is like, oh, Alexa's gonna want activewear for a nice dinner date, but that's not the case. So we're gonna go find dresses.
John just got recognized, but not as John, as someone else, like maybe another YouTuber, I'm not sure.
Basically the dad was like, are you Phase Runner or something? And I was like, no. And he's like, oh, my son was like, get his username.
Did you get lost?
I did get lost, yeah, but we found it.
There will be a video in the future of me actually thrifting wedding dresses, but now I'm like, oh, I could look at them before, but now I can really look at them. Actually, like this one's really actually quite nice. Just normal me always getting distracted.
See, here's the great part, is Alexa can train anyone in the ways of thrifting, because as of right now, I'm already doing terribly bad. But we found the right section. Typically, I'm just looking for something that is casual, but kind of dressy. Think of like bright colors, but also like nothing too like crazy. Obviously, if I could find like a denim dress, that would be super awesome. This is interesting. This is cool. A romper? Is that right? Oh, wow, I got that. I could see Alexa putting like a different type of shirt underneath it. Do you like that? I like that. Is this something you would wear? Probably not. I also realized that Alexa is gonna have me say yes and no to what she typically likes. So if I can find something that's out of her style a little bit, out of her comfort zone, I feel like that would be a plus. So as I go through all these things, I'm gonna see if I can find something and get her to try it to kind of show her that she can kind of rock anything. Really like this a lot. Alexa loves like Winnie the Pooh. This makes me think of Winnie the Pooh. She could put like some black like leggings underneath this, so it's kind of like a dress and, you know, casual. So it's a little wrinkly. You probably have to do a lot of like ironing with it. $7.99. So I found this awesome black dress. It's very like simplistic, very plain, very Alexa. $5.99. I think it's her size. Pretty nice. It has a little more flair at the end here. So as of right now, I think we got enough for the dinner date. From here, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can find just a more casual outfit. Found this denim jacket. I like the tone of it. I'm gonna see if I can find something that we can put like underneath it and then figure out like the bottom half of it. I'm gonna dress her up too girly. It's kind of scary. So there's photos of Alexa where she's very much like a sing kid, and I was looking at them the other day and I feel like now in my head I'm like trying to recreate that.
Do you know what they are now technically? It's basically like a sing kid. It's a new trend.
Oh, is there
Do you know what they're called?
I don't.
E-girl.
E-girl?
Yes.
Kids now. Turning 30. This is insane. Go into the men's section. Unfortunately, all these like clothes here for like women, just not Alexa at all. I think we're just gonna buy this because Alexa needs this. Can we just buy it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, obviously.
So other than the cool cat shirt, I couldn't find any like Harley shirts here, which is really unfortunate. I know those get like snatched up pretty quickly based off of what Alexis told me. So at this point, I want to just keep moving forward and we're gonna go look at a pair of like jeans or something that she could wear with the outfit that I've gotten her. Hopefully something that looks good. I don't know.
Now it is my turn. I honestly realize I don't actually, okay, wait. It's like a belly button. I'm sorry, I just like that too. Really don't have a plan. Like I said, I've never thrifted for John before. I feel like I'm gonna end up dressing you exactly how I dress. I think I first am gonna go for the casual look and then go for the more dressier look. Kind of went into the t-shirt section with him, but I wanna see if maybe I can find like a good like graphic tee. Jeans are gonna be the thing I'm most excited for because I think my style jean versus his style jean is very different. I think if we could find some high-waisted jeans, actually, I don't even know, do guys have high-waisted jeans? I've never dressed a man before. Not our first date or something, but we went to Jamba Juice when we were like talking, like in the beginning of our relationship, and he like dressed completely different. I think he was trying to impress me. He wore this like puffer-ish vest and like did his hair all different. You're beautiful just the way you are.
Hey Alexa, did you find me a nice sweater to try?
Honestly, it's even slightly outside my comfort zone because it's brown, but it's that like real grandpa style sweater that I personally love, and I would love to see John try it on. So when it comes to jeans, jeans are like super hard for me to find, which is why I typically only keep like 2 pairs of jeans because I get them, they work, and then when they wear out, I get a new pair. So as of right now, Alexa's gonna try and find a pair of jeans for me. These are actually quite nice. I almost want them for myself. I kind of want to try them on. We're trying to kind of figure out what kind of size he is. I have a black pair and then I have these light pair. We're gonna grab a couple just to make sure that we can get like a good solid bottom. I'm super excited. Alexa, what did you find? A Disney sweatshirt, and if you guys haven't seen Wednesday's video, I actually thrifted exactly this in gray at the Savers in Yorba Linda, so I mean, we can totally match. It's only $3.49. So it's definitely not something I would really wear. I really like the color, love this mustard, but the like type, it's almost like a linen fabric, and I mean it has the fit and flare, but you know, not my favorite, but I can see how he would like it, and also I think it is very bright like my personality, and so I think it's not terrible, it's just not something that I necessarily wear all the time. It kind of reminds me of me in like middle school. Like I definitely would wear this in middle school. I feel like this video is gonna get copyrighted. Darn you, loud thrift store music, but this one I actually quite like. I'm pretty surprised because I wouldn't normally go for it, but it's very like chic. I would actually buy it because it's dressy without being too dressy, and it's not a midi dress, but it's long enough. I think it's actually really cute. So definitely not in my comfort zone whatsoever. This shirt, it just kind of reminds me of like old school Target, like before Target actually sold cute clothes. I mean, not, again, not saying that this is ugly, it's just not my style. And the denim jacket, not my favorite color. And then, gosh darn, come on John, mid-rise jeans, at least they weren't low-rise, so I feel like a girl on The Bachelor or something would wear this. Okay guys, so this is the outfit that Alexa picked for me, and like it is definitely out of my comfort zone. It is actually not too bad though. The jeans were a little longer, and Alexa said I should try and like cuff them up a bit.
They fit really good here, however they're just like long. Other than that, the actual sweater here is pretty nice. Something that I probably could see myself wearing, probably Alexa more so. Not too bad. It's kind of growing on me the more I have it on, so we'll go to the next outfit and see how she did. So this is actually supposed to be like the formal outfit that Alexa got me, and I actually like this shirt a lot. It's not something I typically would pick out for myself. The actual dress pants she got me, they're like a green color. It's kind of like hard to see. They are not fitting right in this area because unfortunately, like actual dress pants, a lot of times you have to get them fitted correctly because they have like an inner seam that actually latches. But other than that, I do like this shirt. I'm gonna see if I wear the black jeans, kind of look what that looks like. So Alexa definitely gets a win, and this is like her expertise. These jeans, the black jeans, are actually like probably one of the favorite pair of jeans that I put on. This shirt just works with these jeans, and like these jeans I think are just like the magic sauce for everything. Probably gonna buy this. I'm probably gonna buy these jeans for sure, but Alexa definitely has the touch.
I literally said before we filmed that we weren't gonna buy anything.
And yeah, we're buying stuff.
Alright, so we made it back to the car. Honestly, like, I am shocked. I didn't think this was actually gonna go as well as it did. Not that I didn't have, like, confidence in you.
Sure, I know you weren't fond of some of them, but at least I got credit on one of them. You also got credit on one of them. Thrifting isn't something I normally do, although I go with Alexa a lot of times when she's doing it. There were a lot of things that Alexa found. I actually ended up liking that like white shirt with like the black pants. Those black jeans were Levi's and they were literally $6. Like white shirt, which like I'm super excited about. That's also something I normally wouldn't choose for myself. I want to be doing this more often, so I might be around more than you think now.
Well, I mean, you definitely.
Well, I guess I am. Yeah, we're getting married.
Yeah. So I had so much fun, obviously, sharing with you guys my fiance. Also, again, thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace is all you need to power your online store. With our all-in-one platform, it gives you everything you need to run your business. Whether you're just getting started or an established brand, their powerful platform helps your business grow. Their best-in-class website templates help you stand out online with a professional website, online store, or portfolio. With Squarespace, they give you the tools you need to get your business off the ground. And actually, I am creating an online store right now, potentially to resell some items, and I am doing it all with Squarespace. And let me tell you, it is so simple. Their templates are completely customizable, so I was able to change the different colors, add different tags. As you see, yes, it says denim jackets. Squarespace also has an image editor, so when I actually add the photos for the things I'm going to be sell, you'll be able to actually edit them directly in the browser using Squarespace. You can crop, resize, rotate, adjust brightness and contrast, and so much more. So head on over to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/alexasunshine83 to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like thrifting videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me's, make sure you hit subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, alexasunshine83, to keep up to date with me during the week. I will see you guys on Sunday with a brand new Sunday video. Enjoy life, be happy.
We love you lots.
Bye.
Bye. Sorry.